Do you know Asian garlic noodles? Lots of butter, lots of garlic, seasoned with oyster sauce. This noodle tastes delicious and so addictive. And it's so easy to make, you can make it in 12 minutes. So, let's get started by chopping bunch of garlic. Smash it, peel it, and chop them into finely chopped. Now I'm gonna introduce all the ingredients. Pasta, butter, garlic. For the sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce, soy sauce, sugar, and cayenne. I'm using these products by the way. Mix all the ingredients for the sauce together, which is oyster sauce, sugar, cayenne, fish sauce, and soy sauce. Set that aside. In a large pan, add the butter and garlic. Cook them on medium-low heat for 2 minutes. Next, in another pot, boil the pasta until al dente. Since the sauce for this pasta is salty enough, I'm boiling the pasta without salt. Once the pasta is done, transfer the pasta to the other pan that we were using. And add the sauce which we prepared earlier. Turn on the heat medium-high, cook for 1 minute, stirring well. Now let's plate. Garnish with some coriander. So, let's try that out. It tastes very good, so rich, flavorful, garlicky, and very addictive. Once you taste it, you may be into it. So, please give it a try and let me know how it turns out. Also, I'm learning English now. Let me know which word or expression was wrong. Thank you for watching. See you next time.